Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be testing out a waterproof foundation from MAC. It is the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. I don't wear it often, but I know that there's times throughout the day that I do start to sweat. And I do usually wake up first thing in the morning, go for a run, get it out of the way, and then do everything else I need to do for the day. I did, however, first thing this morning, wake up, do a video using the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm going to go full face of makeup using the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. See how it lasts after I do, I think I'm going to do 1.5 miles. Maybe I'll go longer, but it'll at least be 1.5 miles. It's about 70 degrees and cloudy outside right now, so it's not too hot, but once you start building up that endurance and you start running, it kind of gets, I get red in the face. I start sweating a little bit. We'll see if my face stays where it's supposed to. I don't wear a lot because it is a thicker formula. I do like the coverage on it, but for my day-to-day, if I know that I'm not going to be outside or I'm not going to be sweating an abundant amount, I'm not going to put it on. It's not my go-to. My go-to is usually the MAC Studio Fix. I also have been trying out some other foundations. I've tried them in other videos, but here we go. Let's see what happens. I just got back from my run. I'm wearing the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. I did about 2.5 miles. Definitely got my sweat on. I'm gonna sit outside and cool down for a minute. It's about 70 degrees here. See if I can catch my breath, and then I'll go in and finish this video. Okay, I just got back from a 2.5 mile run. I let myself cool down outside. It's about 70 degrees here, and I didn't want to be super sweaty trying to shoot this video, but the foundation seems to have held up. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if we can refocus here. It's still there. There's one spot that's kind of patchy, but I think it's because I touched it. If you look in the forehead area, it's still there. I've still got decent coverage. And then down here, my chin, for some reason, it will start to crease. It'll get this like weird fallout, but that's normal. I don't seem to be having that issue with this foundation. And then obviously my allergies, they're working against me today. So my nose was running while I was running. That's a whole nother story. But it did wear off under there just because that's where I was trying to wipe away sweat and whatever was coming out of my nose. It's kind of gross. But for the most part, and just a disclaimer, it doesn't say it's sweat proof, it just says that it's waterproof. But I will say that this foundation, the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, it definitely did what it said it was going to do. It seemed to last for the fact that it's not too hot out, but just my body sweat trying to run around for 2.5 miles, which after 1.5 miles I was not feeling it. I like it. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to wear it all the time because I try not to wear a full face of makeup when I go running. The only time I do that is for my job if I have to, and even then I don't like doing it. If I have a chance to take my makeup off, I will, but with our time constraints for my job, I don't necessarily have that. So I mean, as advertised, I think it held up pretty good. I'll list in the bottom what other products that I wore, like the primer, the setting powder. Those definitely play into it. It's not just the foundation, but the foundation was the only thing that was waterproof besides my eyeliner, and that definitely held up. I don't usually have an issue with my waterproof liner coming off, but I'll definitely say that I gave this 2 thumbs up. I also have to say this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to give a review on this Pro Longwear Waterproof Foundation. It's just something that I had. I used it for my previous video, which I will link at the end. And I just thought, because I woke up first thing in the morning, did my eyeshadow for a video, and then I still wanted to go and run before I go into work. I decided that I would do my waterproof foundation and test it out for a video for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe below. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you get notifications of new videos. Also, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like the video. Until next time.